If you're thinking about trying Hone Health for TRT, you might want to hear this first. I actually went through the whole process myself, and let's just say it didn't exactly turn out the way I expected. There were some surprises along the way that I wish I'd known before signing up, and I'll walk you through all of it so you don't get caught off guard the same way. And just so you know, if after watching you decide to get your own TRT, you can get my top recommended clinic through the link in the description below or scanning the QR code on screen. It'll get you the best price available anywhere. Alright, so here's how it went for me with Hone Health. At first, it seemed like a pretty solid option, but the pricing threw me off right away. You start looking into it and realize you're paying $129 a month just for a membership. And that's before you even get to the actual treatment. Then the meds start at $28 a month, but that's per medication and depending on what they decide you need. It could climb a lot higher. By the time you add it all together, you're spending more than you thought, and the part that bugged me was that it's not super clear upfront what the real total is going to be. Now, convenience-wise, they do have the whole at-home testing and online consulting, which is nice in theory, but my experience with their customer service was hit or miss. Sometimes I'd get a quick response when I had a question, and other times I'd be waiting, wondering when they're gonna get back at me. And when you're dealing with TRT, where timing and clarity actually matters, that gets frustrating pretty quickly. What really pushed me over the edge though was the shipping delays. TRT isn't something you can just stop or skip for a week. You need it on schedule every time. So when the meds show up late, it throws you off the routine. Once that happens, you're scrambling, trying to figure out how to make it work until the next shipment comes. It really wasn't working out for me, so I ended up switching over to Fountain TRT instead. And it gave me a completely different experience right from the start. The pricing makes sense. You pay $199 per month. That's it. No separate membership fees, no little hidden add-ons creeping in later. That one price covers everything: consults, labs, meds, follow-ups, the whole thing. Their customer service also stood out to me. Every time I reached out, I got a quick response from people who knew exactly what they were talking about and seemed like they genuinely cared about helping me. The process felt way more organized, so I always knew what the next step was. And their deliveries, always on time. Not once did I have a moment where I'm counting doses and thinking, I hope this shows up tomorrow. I could just focus on my treatment without stressing about whether the meds would arrive. So, if you want something that's easy, transparent, and actually reliable, Fountain TRT is the way to go. I'll drop the link below, or you can just scan the QR code on screen if you want to check them out yourself. If you have similar experiences with Hone Health, let me know in the comments below. That's it from me, guys. I hope this helps.